Saw you standing looking round like a stranger to this town. Worn out boots and a driver's side tan. Said to myself, here's a traveling man. 'Cause you hold that suitcase like a wife. Tells me something about your life. Fell in love with the sound of those wheels. The all-night romances with automobiles. You could be saying the same about me. No local girl, man, I'm fresh off in 93. We look like birds of a feather. We roll in all kinds of weather. We raced a storm or two right through the night. I think we're birds of a feather. Lord knows that we go together. 'Cause we go without a warning and fly away in the morning light. Well, I make my home on the open road. Love to see the land unfold. I don't mind all the broken line miles. I get tired of the painted on smiles. But I'm just too restless if I stop like some bull in a china shop. I end up hard and pacing the floor. Break every heart between me and the door. I wouldn't change it, say Christopher knows. You can't deny there's a price for the life it shows. We live like birds of a feather. We roll in all kinds of weather. We raced a storm or two right through the night. Well, I think we're birds of a feather. Lord knows that we go together. 'Cause we go without a warning and fly away in the morning light. We live like birds of a feather. We roll in all kinds of weather. We raced a storm or two right through the night. I think we're birds of a feather. Lord knows that we go together. 'Cause we go without a warning and fly away in the morning light.
Thank you. I'm so very out of water. I would love some more water.
Well, thanks everybody for coming down tonight.
Yeah, and thank you, John Mock, for opening. It was a pleasure listening to you. I just always love it. I love doing rounds with John, and we've had the pleasure to do a couple of them, and it's, I always forget where I am. I mean that in a good way. You know, I just stop thinking about my own situation. This is a little tune about the bygone days of the riverboats. They are bygone for just about everybody except John Hartford and the captain of the General Jackson, I suppose.